Let's enjoy Hiragana Karuta game. The first 5 letters are a, I, U, E, O. These are the first 5 Hiragana letters a, I, U, E, O. If you haven't learned these Hiragana yet, please watch this video and you can learn them in a second with tricks and games. Please find the letter within 3 seconds. Here we go. U, U, E, E, A, A, O, O, I, I, Let's move to K line. Ka, hi, fu, ge, ko. If you haven't learned Hiragana K line yet, K line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. Fu, fu, hi, hi, ko, ko, ke, ke, ka, ka, Next one is S line. Sa, shi, su, se, so. If you haven't learned Hiragana S line yet, S line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. Shi, shi, so, so, sa, sa, se, se, su, su, Next one is T line. Ta, chi, su, de, to. If you haven't learned Hiragana T line yet, T line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. Ta, ta, su, su, te, te, to, to, chi, chi, Next one is N line. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. If you haven't learned Hiragana N line yet, N line video of Nihongo Club will show you the tricks and games to remember them in a second. Ni, ni, の、の。な、な。ね、ね。ぬ、ぬ。
よくできました。
またね。